Hello, welcome to the video. Before we continue, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to leave a comment, share this video, and explore other videos on my channel. Now, take a look at the diagram of the plant cell. Let's make sure that we can correctly identify the mitochondrion and the chloroplast. This is sometimes challenging. Any ideas? In terms of size, chloroplasts are generally larger than mitochondria. But we can't use that to distinguish between the organelles, as the diagrams are often not drawn to scale. In terms of color, chloroplasts are the site of a photosynthesis in green plants, and they contain the green pigment chlorophyll. Thus, chloroplasts are often shaded green in diagrams. But what if the diagram is drawn only in black and white, like this one? Let's look at the structures of the organelles. Mitochondria. The inner membrane of a mitochondrion is folded, forming cristae. Memorize how the cristae are represented in the drawing of a mitochondrion. The mitochondria are the site of respiration where the cells produce energy. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts have the folded thylakoid membrane, which forms a network of flattened discs called thylakoids that are arranged in stacked and unstacked regions that are interconnected. Memorize how the thylakoid membrane is represented in the drawing of a chloroplast. The chloroplasts are the site of a photosynthesis in the plant cell, where light energy is converted to chemical energy. Now, let's label the diagram of the plant cell. This is the mitochondrion, and this is the chloroplast. This is the vacuole. Plant cells have a large vacuole that stores different biochemicals. The vacuole also stores water and thus helps the cell to maintain its turgor pressure and thus its shape and rigidity. This is the cell wall. It provides the cell with support and protection. This is the cell membrane. It is a protective barrier that controls what goes into and out of the cell. This is the nucleus. It contains the cell's genetic material. This is the cytoplasm. It is composed largely of water, and it holds the cell components and organelles. The cytoplasm is the site of several biochemical reactions and cellular processes. Labeling complete. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate your support. Thank you.